Saksham as public prosecutor, Siddharth as British Association, Siddharth as British Landowner Association Secretary, Himawal as British Commissioner of Police, Apurv as tipstaff and narrator. A script by Pranshu Parija.
Surya, unmute your mic.
Order, order. Let's begin with today's proceeding. The public prosecutor may start first.
Thank you, Your Honor. Let me first enlighten you with the fact that Mr. Gandhi has been accused for violating the laws by disobeying the orders from the police superintendent. And making this situation more worse, he has deliberately directed thousands of peasants to protest in his support and interrupt the court proceedings. Oof. Taking the presentation of turmoil into consideration, I request you to postpone the trial to another day.
I object, my lord. The decision must not be partial. My client, Gandhiji's consent, is as imperative as the opposition's.
Objections sustained.
Thank you, my lord. Now, with your permission, I would like to call upon Mr. Gandhi to the witness box.
Permission granted.
Mr. Gandhiji, please head on to the witness box.
Your Honor, I am completely against this postponement. First of all, I want to make this clear that I am not involved in any way in influencing the mass of peasants outside the court and had no such intention to mislead or pressurize the authorities. I believe I am guilty of violating the so-called rules that deter me to listen to my conscience and let happen bad to the peasants in the nearby village.
Please make it more clear.
Sir, let me help you with that. According to my client, he received a complaint, a request about a peasant being ill-treated in a nearby village. He went on to do investigation, but was interfered by the police superintendent for no solid reason.
I object, my lord.
Yes.
On what grounds did he start his investigation and what authority he has even to work on it?
Let me put this across to you, that Mr. Gandhi is himself a professional lawyer and has practiced in South Africa for several years. And now he is working with the sharecroppers in the dispute.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I have an objection. The opposition is trying to deviate the case.
Overruled. What do you have to say about this, Mr. Gandhi?
Each and every word said by my lawyer is true. Indeed, I was working on that case. Champaran sharecroppers are being troubled by the landowners. They had trapped them in a long-term contract which stated that 15% of the land must be used for indigo cultivation. The whole indigo produce must be given to the landowners as tariff.
My lord, when the Germans introduced synthetic indigo in the market, the landowners incurred a heavy loss. To compensate with the losses, they deceived the poor peasants by demanding money for being released from the contract. And the point to be noted, my lord, is that the peasants were not aware of the synthetic indigo.
Your Honor, many peasants were even threatened by the thugs, bullied by the landlords.
I object, my lord. These statements are not at all related to our case.
Actually, this was the sole reason for arrival of Mr. Gandhi to Champaran and this mishap with the police superintendent.
So, wait, with your permission, I would like to call the Secretary of British Landlords Association to defend their statement.
Permission granted.
Mr. Secretary of British Landlord Association, present yourself in the witness box.
So, Mr. Secretary, what is your opinion on the statement made by the opposition? Are they telling the truth?
Of course, there was an agreement, but no one was forced for it. All of them signed it willingly. I think these persons are being misled by someone, and now they stand against us. This is ridiculous.
No, my lord, to figure this out, I have thousands of peasants as witness and thousands of petitions signed by them. You may take a look at it.
Moreover, they were reluctant to give any info regarding this dispute when I went into their office.
Mr. Secretary, you may please go back to your place. Now, I would like to call the British Official Commissioner of the Tribute Division.
Please.
Official Commissioner of Tribute Division, present yourself in the witness box.
Tell the court, why did you think Gandhi was up to something mischievous?
That day, he came to my office and demanded for some sensitive records that are not supposed to be seen by the outsider. When I denied, he left the place, returning me what made me suspect him.
I object, Your Honor.
Sustained.
It was he who threatened my client and compelled him to leave Tirhut.
Do you have any evidence or witness to present?
Yes, I do. Your Honor, Gandhiji was accompanied by some other lawyers and they are ready to give their statement.
Trial went for an hour more. Both prosecution and opposition had enough evidences and witnesses. At last,
After listening to the prosecution and the opposition, recording the witness statements, the court has come to this conclusion that both the groups have enough evidence to prove their point. Judgment on this case is being delayed. For this moment, Mr. Gandhi is released on a bail by order. Further proceedings dates is to be intimated soon. Till then, the court is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.